Hi, this is Seth from Circuit Board Medics. If you have a 2014 to 2020 Kenworth T680, T880, or W990, and you're having issues with your instrument cluster, you're not alone. These clusters are known to eventually fail, and it's only a matter of time before problems appear. So today, we're going to talk about the common symptoms of a failed gauge cluster and show you how to get your issues resolved quickly. The most common symptom of failure is the primary or secondary air gauges sticking, not working at all, or giving incorrect readings. This, of course, can be very frustrating and a potential safety hazard. Because of this, we offer an affordable repair service to rebuild the cluster, completely restoring and upgrading it to function better than new, with a fast 1 business day turnaround time. Our service preserves your original programming and mileage and is covered by a comprehensive warranty. Our process is simple. You just need to purchase the repair service on our website, and you'll receive an email with instructions for how to ship your cluster to us. Once we receive it, we'll fully rebuild and test the cluster in 1 business day and ship it back to you. When you receive your cluster, it will be ready to install. Simply plug it back in and you're all set. If you're ready to restore your truck's functionality and get back on the road quickly, visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049 and we'll be happy to help.